From Louisiana's home team, this is Fox 8 News at 6 a.m.
Thanks a lot, Susan. This year's allergy season claims a record high pollen count, but certain foods can help you reduce your allergy symptoms. Dr. Meredith Maxwell, a family medicine doctor with Touro Infirmary, is here with more. Good morning.
Good morning.
Who knew?
Yes. For patients that aren't really so excited to take actual medicine for allergies, there are other options. For example, turmeric, which is found in Indian curries, spices, contains an antioxidant that can actually help just as much as a regular anti-inflammatory when taken at high doses, like 1,200 milligrams. And you can put that in curries and stews, which can really help with allergies. Also, anthocyanins, which are an antioxidant, can also help reduce your allergies. Those are found in like purple and red foods like berries, purple, red grapes, things like that.
And you've got an examples here, so let's look at them here. Let's go over them here, what you have here that can help.
Here's the turmeric.
Right.
You can find in the spice aisle.
So you get a recipe that calls for that and try it.
And you can put it in like salad dressings and things like that. The red and purple fruit, the anthocyanins, the anti-inflammatory things. The pinto beans have magnesium in it, which are found to decrease allergy symptoms found in like the asthmatic symptoms found in allergies. Watermelon also contains the magnesium as well. Another thing was zinc. We didn't bring crabs on or oysters, but zinc actually helps with allergy.
So one more reason to eat crabs.
Exactly.
Okay.
As well.
You've got some broccoli, cauliflower.
The broccoli, also the magnesium.
How do these things help? I mean, so usually you just, you take like antihistamine or whatever, but you're saying, how does this help?
Right. So antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory properties, and some things have histamines in it. Like stinging nettle is a big thing that contains histamine that actually is a property that our body produces during an allergic reaction that helps acquire tolerance. You can also find the stinging nettle in like a natural food store in freeze-dried capsules.
So basically when you eat any of these, you consume any of these, what is it doing to your body, the equivalent of what medicine would do to help fight your allergies?
So some can decrease congestive symptoms. Some can decrease like allergy symptoms associated with hay fever, depending on what is what. Some can actually be treated like an anti-inflammatory, like an NSAID or an aspirin or something like that, that can also help with your allergies as well. So there are other options besides medication.
And this is the sort of thing you would recommend doing on your own, or do you think you should ask a doctor first, or you think this pretty much works for everyone?
There are different levels of severity, so I would ask your doctor if you're a candidate, rather than just stopping your medications without talking to your doctor. But for people that are kind of resistant to medication, there are options that can actually assist you with your allergies.
How bad is the pollen count this year? It just seems...
It's horrible. I've never seen so many allergy sufferers. I myself never been on medication at all, and it's so high, and I mean, people are having symptoms left and right. So just because you've never had allergies before, I mean, if you start having the symptoms of sneezy, runny nose, itchy eyes, those kinds of things, it might be just the pollen count is just that high.
Well, it's good to know that you can try foods in addition to like medicines to help you control them, because it can be really bad for so many people.
Right, and you can eat healthy and get better.
That's a key thing too. Thank you so much for coming in.
You're welcome.